Okay. Sacker or Saker. I think it sounds better if it's called Sack or cordless buffer polisher. What?
You can't say that in the video.
Sacker, Saker?
Dad, they're not gonna like that. Sacker?
It could be pronounced Sacker or
It's
Saker.
Saker. It's obviously Saker.
All right. Well, we're looking at the SK1202D for Doodles. We're just going to do a quick unbox. I haven't looked at it yet. So this is a cordless buffer polisher. Looks like we got some sealed up buffing pads. Looks like they just have like a Velcro back maybe. Yeah, this is for 2000 grit. That quality feels pretty good.
You use this on a car?
Yeah, we'll test it out. Probably a little sack to put your Saker in. Be cool. You know what I mean? Sack to put your Sacker in. Oh, yeah. Can't say that? Okay.
Why would you use this on a car, though?
This looks like some kind of buffing. Or this looks like microfiber.
Oh, yeah.
That you put over this, probably. So, let's see here. We got a battery. These are 12 volt.
It's pretty similar to
2000 milliamp hour, made in China. Quality doesn't seem that bad.
It's probably a 3-cell battery.
Yeah, not too terrible.
Why would you use this on a car, though?
What else we got? Oh, 2 batteries.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
nice.
That's not bad.
2 Saker.
2 Saker Mojaker batteries. Please make sure the battery is fully charged before use. The battery power will generate heat. Ooh boy, don't burn my shop down. Okay, well, we'll charge those babies up. Looks like we got a little wall wart type charger, 12 volt, 600 milliamp, 8 watts, half an amp. So this looks pretty standard stuff. And looks like we got one more. This is like a polishing. It's like a polishing pad.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. Get a lot of stuff with this thing. I want to say it's under $100.
Oh wow, that's a good deal for
all
this.
Little destruction instruction manual. I'll probably read this at some point. So we'll look at that. It almost looks like Makita colors.
It looks actually really similar.
Yeah, pretty close. All right, put that back.
Probably closer to Bosch.
Looks like it's got variable speed. The variable speed switch feels pretty good. Not too bad. Let's, uh-oh. It's like the one little sticker is coming off here. Cordless buffer polisher. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's just slap a battery in here and see what it feels like.
Yeah.
All right, so these batteries aren't charged yet. We'll have to charge them, but... Ooh, look at that. You get pretty little lights.
Put it up more.
Cranking. I'm pretty impressed, honestly, so far.
I like how the lights change as you move it.
Yeah, because you put it on crank, that's going to kill the battery. Yeah, not bad, honestly. I mean, I know these batteries are not, we'll make sure they're good and charged before we test it out.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I'm not really that great at polishing stuff. I mean, I do everything by hand. So, I'm thinking on low, though. The quality so far is pretty good, I feel like. And it feels like it'd be good in your hand. So, see if the other batteries pop on and off pretty nice. Feel good. They don't feel like they're gonna fall out. This tool's not that heavy. I'd say it's probably 2 pounds ish. Yeah, Saker. This is not bad. Yeah, for the price, I mean, so far I'm pretty impressed.
It works pretty good.
Feels good. Nope, I don't feel any like play in it or anything. All right, well, we'll charge it up and give this thing a good test. Okay, I wasn't gonna bore you guys washing my wife's rig here, but it's decontaminated. I can list the products. Maybe I'll put the products below of what I use. But yeah, everyone has their own kind of stuff. I'm actually, since it was outside a little bit, I'm going to shake up this Optimum No Rinse, and I'm just going to wet this just to get any other, so I just pump it up. I got a pump sprayer here. I'm going to wet the rag, and then I'm just going to wipe this real quick just to make sure that the surface is really clean. And I'm just going to hit this real quick just to make sure I got any dust and stuff off. Okay, I'm going to use some V34, and we're going to work kind of over here first. I'm going to wet my pad. I just like doing this. I'll spray a little bit of this waterless car wash. I'm going to spray this real quick, just real lightly, just to get it damp. All right, so I'm going to take this and just do a couple of squirts here. And then I like to kind of do one of these. And then I'm going to start on the lowest setting and just kind of work it in. So the idea is to start with small sections. Bringing the speed up a little bit. So I'm at like 3.5.
I think that's an RPM.
Yeah, it might be 4,000. I'm at 4 now. So I'm just doing moderate pressure. And then once this like works in, you basically wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel, and then we'll hit it with the other compound. Okay, now we're going to get a clean microfiber towel. Wow, it actually looks really good. It's going to be hard, I feel like, to see on camera. This is already feeling really nice.
I can see it too.
All right, so now I'm going to use V36. All right, so same deal, pal. Just kind of give it a little blops. Yep. There you go. All right, then start it up. Crank it up a little bit. Give it a wipey. So we're using a clean side here. So it's not going to pick up on camera, but I can tell you right now that this is looking actually really good. So I want to use just a microfiber, and it's nice. They give you a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't even notice, but you got all kind of different pads in here. Wow. And I imagine these are, there's a couple of them in here. I imagine that these are probably washable. You could probably put them,
you can see on the inside there's allows water through.
So for the price, you get a lot of stuff. That's really cool. Okay, so this product's pretty good. I've been happy with this in the past. And I put on this little guy here. And I'm applying very light pressure to this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of buff it a little bit. When your hand glides on the surface, you know that you've done a pretty good job with your wax. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I would say for small touch-ups and stuff, the Saker is pretty good for that. Yeah, I mean, when your towel kind of acts like it wants to fall off, that's usually a good sign that your wax is applied well. Oh, hello. You thought you were not going to see me on the video, but here I am.
It's not just for cars. You can use it for like cleaning sinks and pans and stuff that sit on there.
Oh, really?
You can clean like all sorts of stuff with it.
There you go. You can clean your car,
That's
then
probably why it had sandpaper.
clean your chicken pot pie container when you're done. Yeah, I mean, it's got that hook and loop for the pads and
You
stuff.
can really put anything on it you wanted to, as long as it can Velcro.
Yeah. So if you wanted to use the thing, you know, clean your old lady's Lexus and then go sand your deck, you could do that. Yeah, for the price, absolutely can't be beat. Definitely a time saver, this thing. You could, you know, you could do a whole car, just take you some time. You'd be going through some batteries, of course, but we're still on the same battery. Yeah, I would say this is a good product. The build quality is good. He likes using it. I like using it. So save you some time. Check it out. Thanks for watching. See you later.